Hi tech lovers, in today's video we will compare 3 powerful TV TCL P6K, P7K and P8K. If you are planning to buy a 4K smart TV, this video is must have for you. Let's see which model best suit your budget, gaming experience, movie viewing experience and everyday use. So let's get started. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, display. Display type. Panel type. Backlight. Display size. Display resolution. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Color gamut. Typical HDR and HDR brightness. Peak brightness. Response time. Aspect ratio. High frame rate. Anti-reflection. Panel bit depth. HDR format. Next, gaming. Variable refresh rate. High gig. Game optimizer. Auto low latency mode. Next, connectivity. USB ports. HDMI ports. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Optical digital audio out. Screen mirroring. Miracast. HDMI consumer electronic control. Ethernet. Headphone and speaker output ports. Next, audio. Speaker configuration. Speaker output. Number of speakers. Number of subwoofer. Output per speaker. Sound technology. Speaker direction. Speaker frequency range. Next, TV features. Operating system. Version at operating system. Processor. RAM. Internal storage. Voice assistance. Social media interrogation. Voice search. App store type. Supported apps. Next, design. Dimensions with stand and without stand. Weight with stand and without stand. Wall mount size. TV tuners. In the box. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.